All right, guys, really pay attention with this. It's not hard, but it will take you some practice to get used to this, okay? All right, we have already looked at this chart that I showed you in the last video, but let's look at some of the questions. Here's 4 of them that I have posted. These 2 we're going to look at. That means when we're going from big to small, and these 2 questions are when we go from small to big, okay? All right, let's look at 8.47 liters. Now, first of all, let me prove to you this is big to small. Liters to deciliters. So I'm looking at liters to deciliters. I'm going from big to small. Okay? Same thing for grams to milligrams. That means I'm starting here grams. I'm going to go all the way to milligrams. Big to small. Okay? Very simple. 8.47 liters. I'm going to start in the liter column. Watch. 8, 4, 7. I posted those numbers and I started in the liter. Okay? 8 liters, 4, 7. Now it wants deciliter. So then I go over here to deci and I put my decimal point right after the deci. So there's my answer. 84.7. That's it. That's my answer. That's all I had to do. So let's try another one. Let me erase this. Again, I'm going big to small. I'm going to go from gram to milligram. I'm going to go from big to small. It says 7. I'm going to put 7 above the column that says gram. Oh, I got to get all the way to milligram, but I don't have any more numbers. That means I'm going to put a whole bunch of zeros all the way to milligram, and I'm going to stop. Now, where does that decimal point goes? It always goes after what I'm looking for, so after milligram. So 7,000 is my answer. That's it. That's my answer. 7 grams is equal to 7,000 milligrams. All right, let's look at this. If I want to go small to big, what does that mean? If I want to go from decigrams to grams, if I want to go the opposite direction, it really isn't hard. I'm just going to do something a bit different. My last place value needs to be what I'm looking at. So it says decigrams, so my last place value is the 4, and I'm going to work backwards. Okay, see how the 4 is in decigrams? Now I'm looking for grams. So then I go right up above grams and I put my decimal. So my answer is 982.4. Okay? Let's try one more. Let me erase this. Let's do millimeters to centimeters. Millimeters to centimeters. So I'm going backwards. So when I'm going from small to big, I'm going to put my 0 above milli and then the 4 above centi. Now I just have to figure out where to put that decimal point. It should be after centimeters. So my answer is either, you could say 4.0 or you can just say 4. That's my answer. Please let me know if you have any questions with this.